Well, I am Rajneesh Kumar. Again, good morning. Here we will discuss about the federal structure and the types. Yesterday we discussed only about the federal structure, definitions, historical background, and we know more and the much about its intricacy and the graveness and the greatness of the federal structure. Today we will discuss about its type. First we have to understand it, the federalism, three words, the federalism, the federation and the federation structure have a very less difference. More and less these federalism, federation and federation structure is almost plus and the minus is the same thing. Here we have to decide and where we have to understand this is the federation having the two type. On this globe there is a two type of the federation. First type is the called a coming together federation. For the coming together federation, the America, the United States of the America is the most brilliant, dynamic and the live example for the coming together federation. Before going in more, we must understand the historical background. As you know very well that the United States of the America has been also under the supremacy of the British colony rule. When the British supremacy was there, the America was divided into only the 13 states, 13 state. When finally the America got on the independence, the political pundit and the statesman of the America, especially the first president of the America, Mr. Abraham Lincoln, understood and acknowledged the needs of the federation, and he has given the 100% power to all the state. Means technically there is no difference of the power from the federal or you can say central or a state government. The power of the state government is equal to the power of the federal. Right now in the America there is the 50 states in the America. These all the 50 states combined together and finally formulated the federation. Australia, even the Switzerland, and as you know the USA has been the wonderful and the classic and the very effective example of the coming together federation. In the America, one thing I would like to add, this is the best example of the federal state because suppose you got a birth in a Virginia state or suppose you got a birth in New Jersey. So New Jersey is a state, Virginia is a state, you will get first the state citizen, and when you will earn the state citizen, then after you will get the USA citizen. Means in the America there is a two type of the citizen. Means the American can have the two type of the citizen. It shows the power of the federalism. And finally, the state have the equal and even the federal power. 50 state America having, each and every state having the not even a 1% difference of the power. Each state having the same power, and a state cannot be under the dominance of the federal or the central government. Means all the state is the self-sufficient. But in the case of especially in the racial violence and the racial discrimination, the federal government or central government make entry in states. Second type of that is called the holding together federation. Here, before we are taking the entry, India, Spain and the Belgium has been the very wonderful, lively and the brilliant example before the world. Historical background, where you will find the very varieties of the and the very veritable and the varieties and the number of the region, religion, fooding habit, different taboo, different attire, different language. You will find the great diverse. India is a country of the great diverse. भारत अनेकता में एकता भारत देश है. भारत विविधताओं का देश है. Here, the only the holding together federation suited means that all the state having the uneven power. In India, all the state having the uneven power. Special means as per the need of the state, the center is the providing and the states are the funded by as per needed from the center side. Means the center is the more powerful and the central government have the more and the much power than the any state. It is not like the federal state in the America that each and every state is the self-sufficient, but not in the India or Spain, in the Belgium, it is completely at the wish of the central government that how much power you will be allotted from the central side. Third, regional diversity promotes. This is the best suited for the India because here we promote, because India is a diverse country, the brilliant example of the world and the regional diversity promote. So it is not a matter that which one is the best, whether the coming together is the best option for the federalism or holding together is the best option. The more important thing, what type of your country having the historical, economical, religious, social and the political background, this is the more important. So especially the singular citizenship in the India, if you are a Bihari, this is not giving a guarantee that you are a citizen of the India. In your ID, you will see there is a stamp of a Bharat Sarkar. So India is giving the singular citizenship, and here the compulsory factor acts because center having the definitely more and the more power. But in the America, there is a less compulsion because all the states are the self-sufficient. So here I am closing my words by saying this again, recapping topic COI federal structure and the type. There is a very little difference between the federalism, federation and the federal structure. Although you will simply understand these both are the synonymous. In a sense, there is a two type of the generally the federation on this globe, the coming together federation. The USA has been the best example. The Australia and the Switzerland also come under the federation, whereas the holding together federation, India, Spain and the Belgium has been the best example. Basically, there has been the historical background as I discussed. In the USA, the federal has given a 100% power to all the states. So the states is the self-sufficient and there is a very less involvement of a federalism or a central government in a state government. But at the time of especially racial violence and the racial disturbance, if the operating in the states, only then the federalism make an entry. But holding together federation, India, Spain and the Belgium has been the best example. Central having the definitely the more powerful. It is up to the center how much power, financial, executive power they provide to the state. It shows that the center having the supreme power, and each and every states as per the need, the center provide them the power. And India has been the brilliant example for the holding together federation where the country is the very much diverse in a language, in a region, in a religion, in the fooding habit. Especially the holding together federation suits them. In the meantime, I am closing this topic, federal structure of the type. And by the way, again we are the meeting again by tomorrow. Thank you very much.